Good morning, students. Welcome back. I am Srinivas sir. Today we can discuss the second theorem of lines and angles. It's one of the simplest theorem. So let's we read the statement. If a transversal intersect of two parallel lines, then each pair of alternate interior angles are equal. So read again. If a transversal intersects, what is transversal intersects? So it transversal intersect says that a transversal refers to a line passes through two lines lying on same plane. So a passes it's a transversal refers a line PQ here, a line PQ passes through a line lying on same plane. This are AB and CD are two parallel lines. So PQ is a transversal line. It's cutting on. So it's lying on same plane. Then we called as transversal intersects. So its statement is if a transversal intersects of two parallel lines, then each pair of alternate interior. It says alternate interior. For example, here ARS and BARS is alternate angle is DSQ. Both are alternate interior angles. So alternate interior angles are equal. So what we have to prove? Angle ARS angle. So alternate interiors angles are equal. So the given is AB and CD are two parallel lines. PQ is a transversal intersects. It's lying on same plane. Then AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD and PQ intersect at R and S. PQ is intersect at R and S. So some of the interior angles, angle BRS is equal to CSQ. So AB parallel to CD is intersect at point PQ and intersect the point at R and S. What we have to prove? Angle ARS is equal to angle DSR and angle BRS is equal to angle BRS is equal to angle CSR. Angle CSR. So let me take, let's we move on to proof. Just we can take angle ARS is equal to angle CSQ. Angle ARS is equal to angle CSQ. Angle ARS is equal to angle CSQ. Both are corresponding angles. Again, what is corresponding angle? When two lines are crossed by the angle in the matching corners are the corresponding angle. When two lines crossed by the angle matching crosses angle ARS and angle CSQ or angle BRS angle DSQ both are corresponding. These are the corresponding angles. So we can take angle ARS and angle CSQ, angle ARS and angle CSQ. We can take only left hand side corresponding angle. So we name as equation 1. Next we can take angle, the vertically opposite angles are angle CSQ is equal to angle DSR. Angle CSQ and angle DSR. DSR. Both are vertically opposite angle. Yesterday we can discuss that vertically opposite angles are equal. We can prove by theorem. So these are the vertically opposite angles. Then we write equation 1 and 2. We can equation 1 and 2. Both are here angle CSQ and angle DS are vertically opposite angle. This will conclude as equation 2. We write from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 we get angle, see here, from 1 and 2, ARS is equal to angle CSQ, angle CSQ is equal to angle DSR. Here angle CSQ and angle CSQ get cancelled, both are get cancelled. Remaining term is angle ARS, angle ARS equal to angle DSR, angle DSR. See here, angle ARS and angle DSR, both are interior alternative angles, both are interior alternate angles. So we equation 1 and 2 we can find out angle ARS is equal to angle DSR, angle ASR is equal to angle DSR. So we write angle ARS is equal to angle DSR. So we can find first statement is true. So is not needed to find angle BRS is equal to angle CSR. We write here. Similarly, we can prove that angle BRS is equal to angle CSR. So students, you have to try that, have to solve this angle BRS is equal to angle CSR. So here in this side alternative corresponding angle is angle BRS is equal to angle DSQ. Both are corresponding angle. Suppose you are going to prove the angle BRS is equal to angle CRS, you take the corresponding angles. Angle BRS is equal to angle DSQ. Then you take the vertically opposite angles here. But which are the vertically opposite angles here? So angle BRS is vertical to CSQ. Students, let try to solve this angle BRS is equal to angle CSR. So this is your second theorem. Thank you.